Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a newsletter on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print section and click to the stationery button and find it the newsletter option. Here you have a more chance if you want to add pictures to your newsletter. Just click to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find it images and videos from your device. In the elements section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, charts, frames, grids and more. If you go to the design section you can find it particular styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white star icon next to the design section and just select another color and done. If you want to change a picture, just go to the gallery or the uploads button, select a picture and just drag it the selected frame. If you want to change the text of the newsletter, just click that, write your text, and you can edit. If you want to change the type of your text, just click to the arrow next to the Roxborough CF button, and here you can find the text styles and font type, and just select one and step on it. If you want to change the size of your text, just click to the plus or the minus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.